Hi, I'm Meaghan from St. Louis Skin Solutions, and I'm here at the Mastermind meeting with Dory and all of our friends from InSPAration Management. We've had such an amazing couple of days. This group is the place to network with and grow with other professionals in the Medi-Spa and day spa industry. Dory imparts great knowledge to us while we're here, and this is such a great collaborative meeting that you will get so much to bring home from this, from new friends to new information to ideas for implementation and product, great problem solving. So I can't recommend enough for you to come down to a Mastermind meeting with Dory and her team.